Tiny T here, and I'm coming back, just an update on this Acurite weather station that does the outdoor temp, indoor temp, and kind of gives you some information there about humidity and stuff. I had a problem here. It's as you can see, it's not sending anything from the sensor, and I took the batteries out, and I could tell on here that the batteries had corroded that were in there. And so I took it all apart, cleaned up all the connections and everything, put new batteries in, and still didn't have anything. This light here lights up on it, and will send a signal when it's working every so often. And so I tested with a tester. I bought me a little cheap tester. And let me shut that off so the battery don't go down on it. But I tested, and I was getting the signal here, so I went ahead and took these 4 screws out of the back, took the back off of it, and tested on the inside right on the board itself, and I was getting power to it. And so something on the board must have went on it, that it's not working. I couldn't figure out any way to get it to work. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I ordered a replacement sensor. I was thinking I was going to have to buy the whole new system, but they do sell these, and they work with different models. But you can see this looks very similar to the one that's there. So I'm going to go ahead and take the batteries that I put in here and put them in the other ones, since I just put these in. They're brand new. They're tested really good. So I'll take these out and put them in and see if this works in with the station that I have here. Nope, let me make sure I got that set to the right one. I think I had that on C, so I'm going to put that all the way down to C. I may have to check. I don't remember on that other one what I ended up doing. There, now you can see I got the beep on that. Or not the beep, but the light flashing, so that's a good sign. This one's probably working now. Let's see if it sets the temperature. Sends it. Hard to do one-handed. Don't see anything up on the other one yet. I don't remember what channel I put that on. At the end. There we go. Let's see if it... See, I don't have it sending right now, so I'm going to take the back off of it and make sure I have the right setting on it. I do have it on C, but I'm going to change it that way I'd put it right back to where it was, but that way it starts looking for the signal again from the sensor. And as you can see, it picked it up right away. Then before I didn't have that little I don't know, Bluetooth connection, whatever it uses there. It didn't have that. It was actively looking, and now that I've switched that off the channel and back onto the same channel C that I'm using on here, it went ahead and picked it up, and now we got the same temp inside as outside, and that's because the sensor's sitting right here. So for about 12 bucks, I think it was, I replaced the sensor rather than pay the 40 bucks it was for a new one. So anyway, that's an option. Looks like I'm in business here, but it looked the same and it works. So I'm going to get this hung up outdoors, and we're back in business. Anyway, update on the Acurite. Make sure you check your batteries. Might be wise to replace them every year. Don't let them corrode, because whatever corroded there, and it did something to the circuitry in there. It doesn't work at all now. So anyway, Tiny T Prepper signing out. Y'all have a good day.